Eduardo Jr., President of Pimpinan Sorry Academy, to Mr. Jimenez Reyes, our Vice President, Ms. Jessica Conchon, Secretary, to Ms. Noy Maki, Treasurer, to Daniel Paco, Auditor, to our beloved Director, Ms. Jeanette A. Reyes, to our teachers, parents, friends, and society, ladies and gentlemen, pleasant afternoon. The day of our graduation has finally come. As we all know, graduation is not really an end, but just the beginning of a new chapter in our lives. Indeed, it is the beginning of a new feeling and struggle that we all have to pass. May we have strength, determination, and perseverance to succeed this day called life. To my fellow graduates, let us step forward and prepare ourselves to face greater challenges as we move on to the higher level of education. May we have continue to seek for knowledge and improve ourselves for the betterment of our life. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the valuable individuals who have been part of my success. To my dearest parents, for providing my necessity, physically, mentally, spiritually, and for loving me wholeheartedly. I would like to extend my sincerely gratitude to my teachers who have been part my teachers who have molded and nurtured me patiently. To the board of trustees for their presence and for participation in this commencement exercise. And to our beloved director, Ms. Jeanette A. Reyes, for her supervision throughout our school years. Support years. Salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa pagkakasama. Sana walang iwanan, walang kalimutan. Salamat sa joy na binigay niyo. Sa tropa friends forever. Ang present in my life is treasure. Also my classmates, schoolmates, friends, who have been my companions throughout our school years. My utmost gratitude is to Almighty God, for without His guidance, I would not have accomplished anything in my life. My last message is addressed to everybody. Let him open her mind and see the reality of life. That is a better process. For me, we need to work hard to achieve something worth living. Once again, a pleasant afternoon, and thank you to everyone. Congratulations.
Thank you, Gigi, the Pledge of Royalty. Graduates from the alma mater will be led by Reverend Lopez from Fort Year Utah. Graduates, please stand up.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. For the love I bear to my alma mater, Timothy John Montessori Academy, I do hereby pledge my loyalty to spread the glory of her name, thought, words, and actions, and to be faithful to the teachings of Saint Timothy and John. I am conscious at all times that thereby I shall always stay in solidarity with the Church. I shall take a stand on current social concerns, and I shall live up to the challenge of becoming competent and productive citizen. I shall count myself as one of the youth who are protagonists of change. Only then shall I consider myself to be a true and worthy child of my alma mater, Timothy John Montessori Academy. So help me God. Thank you, graduates. Now may we call on Arya